Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Website Builder, the top 3 future of web design. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now we will be discussing and demonstrating 3 different AI website builder, which is the feature of website design nowadays because right now you don't need to build websites manually. You only need AI to help you build amazing websites. So we will be demonstrating 3 different AI website builders for today's video, and we will compare them side by side depending on their output and see which one is the best. Although these 3 are already one of the best AI website builder, we will compare them to each other as well. Now, we have 3 like I said. The first one is called Mixo. You will be able to access this AI through mixo.io. And keep in mind also, these 3 websites over here are free to use. You will be able to try them out and see demonstrations on what they're capable of, how they create their websites, and basically see how the AI works. And it will be absolutely for free. So we have Mixo, and the next one is durable.co. This is the URL that you would need to type in into your URL tab. And the last one is 10web.io. These are the 3 website builder that we will be demonstrating for today's video. Now, we will ask the 3 of these websites to produce us a travel guide website for the Mount Fuji in Japan and a restaurant reservation. We're only going to use 2 examples because we're also going to compare them side by side. So, first things first, we're going to ask Mixo, our travel guide website for Mount Fuji. So we're going to simply paste it over here and simply click on generate website. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to communicate with its website or with its AI so that it will produce our output. Basically, it's building our website right now. So you're going to have to give it some time. It might take 5 seconds or 30 seconds depending on your internet speed. But as you can see, it already finished and we already have our website over here. Explore the beauty of Mount Fuji. Discover the wonders of Mount Fuji with our comprehensive travel guide. Plan your adventure with confidence. You can enter your email over here. Then you have like a review in this section, and as you can see, you have your images over here. Very good images. Although some images over here doesn't really show the Mount Fuji, you could edit this by clicking on refresh image selection. By doing this, it will reselect images for you, and there we go. Our first image now shows Mount Fuji, and our second image as well. And there's like more information like explore hidden gems, uncover the hidden gem around Mount Fuji with our insider tips and recommendation, expect the authenticity, culture, breathtaking nature, and thrilling adventures that awaits you, as you can see here. Stay informed and safe, and more information. And there we go. This is the ending of our website over here. It is very good. It is direct to the point. There isn't too much information, and you were able to build it very easily. And as you can see here on the right side, you also have your logo over here. You have Fiji Guide as the title of your website, and you can edit this and change it to whatever title that you would like to have. Over here also, you can see you could save and customize this so that you could work with the website that is created as well. So not only will it produce you a website automatically based on your prompt, you will be able to also customize it and save it as well. As you can see here also, everything you need to launch today, website hosting included. It is included with Mixo's global content network. It is simple to edit. You have the ability to add more pages. It is ready to share on social media, and it has mobile first responsive design and SEO optimized content. So let's see, if you click on save and customize, you would need to register an account. So you could either create an account or sign it with Google over here. And let's see if we will be able to save and customize. As you can see, saving our website, and then let's see, there we go. We would need to pay for a plan to be able to go further if you would like to save it and customize it as well. You have the basic site as $9, then $19 over here, then $39 over here, which would have different features and different things that you could do that will be unlocked as you pay for better plans, as you can see here. Now we could go back to Mix over here, then we could prepare it for our new site later on in the video. Now, over here on durable.co, we will build our travel guide this time in this section. So you're simply going to click on get started. Now you're going to select the type of business that you have. You have all of these options over here. So our business is going to be similar to a travel guide. So let's look for that. Let's get inspection. See tour guide. There we go. Click on next. And business name, let's say Fuji. Simple name for now. Then click on next. And then it's going to build it. As you can see here right now, it's simply going to choose our output right away. And it's going to have the topic of tour guide as its specific topic. It's a less flexible than Mixo depending on or based on what we're seeing right now, because Mixo asked for a prompt. So we were able to specifically give it an idea on what we would like the tour guide website to be about. But in Durable, it's already creating it right away without asking us what type of website we are trying to create. And as you can see here, we have our output over here. You have like the header, your picture section over here, about us, then services over here, and the section over here, then gallery, location, all of the stuff. Although in general it looks pretty good, you were able to produce amazing output, although it's not allowing us to filter it out, wherein we will be able to have a specific travel guide website for Mount Fuji. It was still able to produce us a travel guide or a tour guide website with ease. As you can see, you have your R services, gallery, and location. That is very important to a tour guide website. You can also regenerate section by clicking on the regenerate option, and it will recreate that specific section absolutely for free. So you can see here. But you will need to sign up once again to have unlimited regeneration, website editing tools, custom domain, stock images, and all of those stuff. I'm assuming, or I think it is also once again going to ask us to have a plan before we would be able to proceed. So let's move on for now to the 10web.io. It's going to be similar to Durable, where you're going to have to select like the type of website. As you can see here, create a website with AI. Doing that, and then we're going to have to select our business type over here. So we can simply click on travel services, click on next, and then we will be able to see how 10web.io will be able to produce our output based on a travel guide or a tour guide as a topic for its basis. Over here, it's going to ask us like more information about our website. Let's say I would like to have classic. Click on next. As you can see, we have options over here. We could ask and go with the middle one over here. Click on next. For that, enter our company name. Let's go with Fuji once again. And then here, describe your company. It is a tour guide website dedicated to Mount Fuji in Japan. There we go. Let's fix this. Tour guide in Japan. Let's fix the wording. There we go. We have to put better results, no less than 80 symbols. So we have to add more stuff. Let's see. Let's add more information about it. Tour guide website. It is designed to help tourists have better information on what to do and know when they go to Mount Fuji. There we go. Simply click on next. And over here, service 1. Let's see what our service is. Service 1 is tour guide. Service 2 is gallery. Let's see. Service 3 is email. Service 4 is booking for a tour guide. Then click on next. Then company name, company address, informal. Let's go with formal. And click on generate. Then we're going to have to sign up. And as you can see, it's currently generating our website over here. Now, I don't think we have enough time to also generate the restaurant reservation with Durable and our 10web.io over here. But let's demonstrate it with our Mixo over here. New site. Now let's see this, copy this, and Control V over here. I think the best one out of these 3 are Mixo because it's very easy, very beginner friendly. You don't need to enter too much information. You're just going to enter your prompt, whatever you want to have, and it will generate it right away. But over here, you would need to put a lot of information, then slowly build it up. And then over here, you will have to wait for a while, do the same thing With durable over here, enter some sort of information before we could actually see your output. Let's hope this one in 10web.io allows us to have more flexibility than durable over here, wherein you don't have any choice on what type of specific website it is going to be for. So as you can see, it's finalizing right now. Over here in Mixo, as you can see, it is very simple. Same output or same format as Mount Fuji. As you can see, you have your image, your heading over here, more image over here, image, then your email and like this section over here. Very similar, although it's also good either way. And you will be able to do more, add more sections, make it longer when you inquire for a plan. And going back here, it's still finalizing, so let's give it some time. And there we go, our website is successfully created with AI. Let's preview and edit it. So let's see our output in 10web.io or .ai. And as you can see, this is our output over here. And we're able to create very easily. Although I think the best one out of the three is Mixo over here. Was able to produce good website, yes, but I think Mixo was able to capture the idea of our topic much easier or much better than the other three. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.